Hello, how are you? Today I am to show how to install and customization our Danza dancing school and WordPress theme. So let's start. First of all, this is the fresh WordPress theme. You can see if you click the appearance, there is nothing else. It's a default theme. Plugins, that is also nothing else here. So if you want to install the theme, first you need to download. So when you click here, then you can see I just downloaded 3 minutes ago. Just want to click here and just card, and this is our themes. I just want to put here. Okay, so remove all and then extract here. If I will extract, and then you can see inside of theme there are some extra folders: Danza tile, documentation, license. So Danza.zip, that's very important. I just want to copy that path and go there, add new theme, and after click, then there is the option of upload. Paste here the path and click the Danza. So, and now try to install it. I think the Danza theme is installed successfully, then active. So after active, then you can see here the some recommended plugins. Both plugins are very important. If you miss any plugins, then the demo data would not be work. So first you need to installing all plugins. That's very important. So you just click, select all and install and apply. And it will take a little bit time, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. It totally depends up to your internet speed and hosting provider. But normally from right now I'm in local host, so from my internet they download all our plugin like CMB, contact form, all plugin download from the internet, and it will take a little bit time, like 1 minute, and you can see all plugin installed successful. Now I want to active all plugins. So here is 9 plugins. So first activate will only 7 plugins. 2 plugin will not be active. It will be active later, like this for WooCommerce, both plugins, because those plugin depends on WooCommerce. So first install WooCommerce plugin, and then when you go to the dashboard, and then you can see it's automatic reload and create the different interface like the Elementor interface. So Elementor interface, you need to click the cross button here, and after cross, then you can see their dashboard is still now showing 2 plugins not activate, and both you can see I need to active all plugins. So after active, then you can see all plugins are active successfully, and the notification, there is no notifications, but we'll get another notification. We can see the WooCommerce Danza file not updated. Actually that is the common things of WooCommerce team. When you will go there and click the status, you can see every week, every month WooCommerce team try to update their just a second status, update their systems. Look, when you will go there, then you can see here one file they upgrade. Our theme file is 7.1 is outdated. The core version 7.9. Maybe later they will update also those files. So that is not the error, that is the warning. So if they want the notifications, if you want to update file, that would be good, but it is very hard for our honorable customer and the user, because every week they update their file, so it is very hard. So there is no worry about it, that is simply the warning. Okay, now this is the time. Just a second. First I need to delete all of these pages which is created by the plugins. Now I just want to remove and delete permanently. There is no need at all, and you can go the posted, you can see the hello world. You also deleted it from the trash because there is no need at all. So now this is the time for appearance and import demo data. When you click the import demo data, then you can see this is the Danza theme. Here is the import demo. When you click this, then here is the option the continue and import. And now you need to wait 10 or 15 minutes. It totally depends up to your server internet speed. Normally it will take 10 or 15 minutes, maximum 20 minutes. If within 20 minutes it would not be imported demo data, then please contact our themeholy@gmail.com and we will support instantly. So you just wait for a few minutes here. Okay, demo data is imported. Now you can see the internal pages and other things is perfectly working. Now first you need to click here the permalink. That is very important, because you need to must select post name, that is important for you, and then save changes. Okay, now I just want to click again dashboard, and I want to just visit the website, and also options, Danza options. I want to visit also the header builder, footer builder, and I want to visit also Elementor. Okay, first I want to fix the Elementor issue. Elementor, there are some issue which created Elementor default, so you need to make sure you should do something like this. For example, just a second, it's loading now. So you just click here the setting. I already click in setting. When you click setting, then you need to first header and footer. Make sure you need to make a check. That is important. And after fix this, then you need to go through other stuff. The name is advanced. Still now it's loading because their internally is working because of page setting. Others, the server is right now internally working. Okay. So yeah, it's still loading. We need to wait a little bit time because okay, now you can see that this is the advanced. You need to click here, make it enable, otherwise you will click the internal page, inner page, then you cannot, it's showing 404. And if you want to upload SVG and other things, so you need to make it enable, otherwise you cannot do. So now save changes. After that you need to go through features and just make sure this inline font, this is, you make sure inactive is important. Okay, now that task is completed. Now this is the whole home page. Okay, so how to do this, the home page, for example, WordPress. So here is the home page. So here is the options. So I just follow that step. For example, general, when you go the general and change the theme color and click here, and then theme color make a red. Okay, and when you visit here, like home page, modern dance, let me check first. You can see the dance school is showing the red, all are red. Okay, and dance school 2 also showing red, but when you click here, first one, then you can see it's still showing the others color. What is the problem and how can solve it? If you want to click edit page, then you can find here the extra class, the body class. You need to make sure remove all, like click layout arrow and go, just click and remove and save sense. When you save sense and click the icon, logo, then you can see the home page now is showing red. That's very interesting. And whole this is the pictures. Okay, if you want to change, for example, this part I will show later. First I just follow their instruction. Like if you want to change the heading color, heading 1 to 6, just make a this color. Okay, and when you just click here, then you can see the header color will change. How to, you can see this is the same, all of our the heading color. Okay, so if I click the block, then you can see also very clearly about the block. You can see same the color is same. So that's it. The typography, if you want to change the font family, you can do very easily from here. Like body font, if you want to change like Apple and save sense, then you can see the body color will change the font family. Now this is the Avant. Okay, all bodies Avant font. So you can just export here and there. You can get good solutions here. Okay. Now I want to go here, go back, and here is the option back to top. I just want to make it disable. If you want to disable, then you can see this button will hide. Okay, but I'll make enable because there is also back to top, disable, also custom. If you want enable, then you can see here is the icon. If you want, you can change the icon. So it's a different case. You can just explore here and there. Okay, the preloader. You can see when you reload, then you can find here the preloader and cancel preloader. So if you want, you can change the logo and also the text. And if you want, you can disable. For example, if I want to disable this, then you can see here nothing show the preloader. Okay, normally it's working fine and faster. But if customer want, then he or she needs to be changed picture and text. Now hover, header. So look here, this is the header 1. Okay, I want header build. Our theme there are 2 header, one for pre-built header, one for header builder. I just first want to show pre-built. Okay, I just click here and look here, it's still now showing header 2, footer 1, but I want pre-build. How to do this? Normally click edit with Elementors. Normally inner page working totally fine. The problem is only home page, because on home page edit with Elementor we set up custom header. Like here when you go there, and then you can see we set here the header builder. We just select pre-build, and footer also we just select pre-build. Then you will get everything handled by pre-build. How you can find this is pre-build or header builder? Okay, I want to show you. A few minutes ago, when I mouse hover edit with Elementor, then we can see header 2 and footer 3. Now we can see footer default. This is footer default. Okay, so footer default header, there is nothing mentions mean that is footer default or header default. If you want to change those informations, how can you do this? Normally you just click the header and you can show header top bar. Wait please, I want to check it. Header top bar not showing here. Just a second, I just want to make sure that thing is really is pre-built footer or custom footer. Just click setting icon, footer or pre-built. Yeah, this is fine, totally fine. Okay, no problem. So don't worry. So what I said, I just want to give here is the pictures and other thing. Header background color if you want to change, like this color. Let me check it is working or not. Otherwise, we need to click other side. Okay, the color is changed. Okay, if you want to change the logo, how to do this? Normally, if you want, look, here is the register button, is the register, so you need to just link here. Okay, and if you want to change the register, for example, if you want to put here admit now, I just want to add here admit now, then you can see the register button will change here. It's now it's admit now. Okay, understand? Okay, now here is the some options you need to make. The search icon, this is the search icon is needed. I don't need cart and this part, like cart icon disable, up canvas disable. Okay, let's see what will happen here. So when you just click here, then you can see here is only search and admit now, others are removed. Okay, and logo, how to change the logo? Okay, that is the basic part of header logo. If you want, then you can change the logo from here. Then header menu, there is nothing special here. Sticky header or footer, when you can see this is sticky. Some customer don't need to sticky. If he don't need, then just click off. Okay, when you just click off, then go down and then you can see sticky would not be worn. That's very interesting, right? Okay, so mobile menu you can see when you go through here, then click here. This is the mobile menu, and this background is little bit darker. If you want to change background, you can do also. Logo you can change using the mobile menu. So that place you can change. So up canvas, here is also up canvas background. Other thing. Okay, now the block. Go to the block and you can see what will happen here. Okay, this is the block. So I don't need this sidebar. If I don't need, simply here select the right sidebar. I just want this full width. When I click here, then you can see the block is showing full width. The picture is smaller, that is why here is the block. So I want per row 2, and visit the website, then you can see here is showing per row 2 block. That's very interesting and I like it. It's very like it. If you want the 3, you can also do it. Save sense. And here is 3. That's very interesting. And I don't need to show here comment and category. How to do this? Normally block title. Look here the block title latest news. So if you want to hide, then all will be hide here. Look, block title has finished. I want to show block title and showing here the custom, like latest news. I want our article. We want something like this. Okay. And now when you visit this, then you can see it's showing our article. That's very interesting. Sorry, I'll just click slowly. Okay, now for block, when you click here 28, you can see here is a red 28. I want 50 text, and then you can see here is 15. Okay, now this is the read mode button. Here is read mode. If you want to change the read mode, like I want large. Okay, section. Then you can see the text button of it's will be changed. Okay, that's good. So that is also title, other thing. You just explore here and there. You will get the notifications and you can set the sentence. You can see this is a single layout. When you click this, a single layout. For example, this community centers. Then you can see here is pictures, other things also here. A single layout. You can also follow something like this. Then the sidebar will be vanish. You can see this is a single layout. Okay, so you can change whatever you want. I don't want to change anything like blog post title position. For example, you can see that this is the title. This is the title. If you want to change below thumbnail and which title you want, something like this, but I don't need it. Tag, I want to make a disable tag options. When I option delete disable this tag will be removed. Let's see the Ballet and Dance. Okay, it's remove. Follow up, I also don't need. Share options, I want to disable this. Another option I want to disable. Post navigation I want to keep. Now you can see all things have removed. Post navigation here and all the comment part. Comment part you can disable using WordPress setting. There are disable options for the comments for all blogs. You can do. That's very easy. You can Google it also. Okay. Now blog meta. That's very important. As I told, I want author and date. I don't need to show comment and category. When I click this, and here you can see only two parts showing here. Only two parts. Okay. When you click the block, there is also text. The background is the problem. Okay, no problem. We'll do later. When you click the block, then you can see there are only two parts showing here. Others are removed. You understand? Hope so. You better understand. Okay. Now post comment others. Other case is that page breakdown. Page breakdown, like how you can sense these pictures. So that is the picture you can sense from here. And also other place like shop page. If you want to change the picture, you can change here. For example, I want to show something that is also really special, like shop page, Danza shop. So when you will go there, then you can see the shop page. If you want to change the background, just page wise you can go through here and upload the pictures here. And that's the smaller. I want a little bit bigger, so I think this is the bigger. I just show here only the shop page. The picture will be changed. Look, picture will be changed. That's interesting. Okay. And also here archive page, source page, zero page you can change individually. Breadcrumb. There is no need. If you don't need this, then you can disable from here globally. Okay. For example, go there and click here. This part will remove. Okay. That's interesting. Sometimes customer don't need this title. Customer don't want. If customer don't want the title, just make it disable, and then you can see only showing here the pictures. That's also good interesting. Okay. Now all is finished here. You just explore a little bit. This is the 404. You can change the picture, other things. WooCommerce page. That's also important page. This is the WooCommerce page. I want make a left sidebar. Select it. And product 3 product I want. Okay, now you can see there is 3 products, but sidebar not showing. What is the reason? The reason is here. Go to the widgets. I want to show. That's very special because most of the customer are doing wrong. If you want to go there, WooCommerce sidebar, okay, and click here this list view, and here you need to add here like WooCommerce. I just want all review. I just want to put it. Okay, all review, and then I just make an update. When I make an update, then you can see the sidebar is showing. Sidebar is showing, but the problem is you can see still now no review here. So if you did not find anything, just quickly remove it, delete it, and again show here WooCommerce, brand, store, brand, product source, thumbnail. I don't know what will happen. Okay, here is the title, other thing. Okay, one column. Okay, I don't want all of that. That's title. I just want to show one column. Let's see what will happen. Okay, now check it. No, read number, because brand thumbnail not available here. So what should I do now? I think different widget is better. Like for example, I just want to show the gallery. That would be good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's 4 pixels I want to show inside of gallery. Now you can see inside of shop, you can see the gallery 4 pixels. Can you see? This is the 4 pixels. Okay, I just want to show. That's nothing mentioned here. So if you will install WooCommerce more widget and other things, then you will find here all of things. Hope so you understand. Now here is 12. How many you want to show, and product sidebar. Here is the description, position, and related product. If you want to hide, like when you go there and single product, then you can see inside of here is the related product. If you want, you can change the title and other things here. Okay, now a related product slider off. If you want to make off the slider, then you can see here is nothing mentioned, the arrow, only one product is showing here. Okay, this is the general things. Okay, So now here is a little bit export here and there. You can do very easily. As a subscribe, if you have Mailchimp account and want to add your Mailchimp, so you just open your Mailchimp, and here is the ID and API key you need to put here. I just want to go through the footer. I want to see something. This is the Mailchimp, so you can work here. Okay, simply. So here is the other thing I want to show later. So this part, social media, here is the 1 2 3 4 social media. When you will go there, not here, maybe other page I need to check, because that social media working for here at top. Here nothing special. Here is social media. So 1 2 3 4. When you will go there, header 5, and then you can think, okay, no problem, that is the default. So footer, this is footer, as I told you. So you can see preview footer. When you click preview footer and just reload here, then you can see that is the preview footer. Okay, so preview footer is nothing happened. So that's very easy. If you want to change the copy and other things, you can do from here. Look like here 2015, 2025. Okay, that is only one touch here. Then you can see the footer will change. And if you want to change the text footer below copyright and here, then you need to go through. Okay, here I will back later, because there is nothing special here. As you can see, this is the menu of. So you need to click here and link your footer menu stuff. Okay. Now the problem and discussion, I want to tell you one thing that's very important, guys. For example, like when you see there is nothing mentioned, that's means default header, default footer. When you go there, here is still header for footer for. And when you go the contact page is considered the inner page. Then you can see default header footer. But home page is still mentioned here from the page builder. You just click here and just show only one page and remove other things. There is no need. Now you can see, click here and just make sure here all home make a preview. Then it will be easier for you for features. Now published. Then you can see that home also, visit this home, and you can see that home also from preview header footer. Okay, that's interesting. You can do also something like this. Now for example, I want other home, like go to here, reading modern dance. I want dance school. Let's see, dance school. Yeah, dance school or one page dance. Sorry, home, Danza checkout, Danza show. Okay, here is the one page. Oh no, one page. And this is the ballet studio. Okay, for example, here is lot of things like children ballet. All are the home pages name. Dance classes, dance school. Okay, I want to see the dance school. Okay, for home page, I want to keep only this home page and reload the page, and you can find here that is our dance school. Okay, problem, the header you cannot see. What is the reason? Because that header should be black and other thing. Then you can understand. Oh look, here is nothing mentioned. There is nothing mentioned, only footer 2. So for example, I just want to go back here. Okay, and click here and make the footer also pre-built. Then I can see all header footer is pre-built. Why I did and select the pre-built? The main reason, pre-built header footer, the other thing will change from the options. For example, go to here, header. I just want to make a others color. Let's see. So header logo background, button background. Okay, we need to export here and there. I don't want to, because when I go there, look here. This is the menu area. So menu area is now sticky menu no. For example, here, if you want to change the background color, first simply click here, background, put it. Okay, whatever you want. You just put here the color and okay, sorry, no, it's okay. Okay, this and save it and copy this and go to customize and default header. You change the background color using here additional CSS. You just put here the background color. You can see all are red. Okay, so you can change something like this. But I don't want to use the default. I want a little bit different. How to do this? For example, go there and click header builder. I want header 2. Here is lot of header. So first you need to go there, header builder. So when you go there, the header builder, then you can see here is lot of header, almost 18 header, but I don't need this. I want only header 2, and rest of the header I just make a trash. For future, if you want, then use that back here. Okay. And also footer builder, same thing you can do. Like footer builder, I want footer 2, another header make other footer make a trash. Okay. Now Danza options, header. When you will go here, the header and the header builder, you can see here is the header 2, and go to the footer and check here. This is the footer 2. I just make that home the preview, because now we will handle only that place, all of header and footer. Now you can see all header and footer will change. That is the different header. And other page also, I want only this page, so I want to remove this and also customize. There is no need. See, or customize is needed, otherwise this header also background not working. I just make a light blue. Okay, so look now. If you want to change the logo and other things, you need to go there. Oh, still I'm not showing. What is the reason? Let me check just a second. Go there. Everything is fine. Control Shift. Oh, okay. Danza is good. Okay, that is the Danza is good. Okay, now you can see this is the different header. Register other thing. If you want to change logo other things, just click header 2 and change all of information, because we use now pre-built header. It's not a default header. So if you want to change anything, just click header 2, and here is the options. Normally you will get something like this. Just click here the layer structure, and you will get here the header. Here is the header and other part. You can change from here. And one thing I want to show, this is main menu. So footer also you can do something like this. The main menu, I want to go main menu. That is also very important, because most of the customers don't know how to do this. I want to show. For example, here is the main menu. Go there, main menu primary. Okay. Then you can see here is a lot of things. I don't need all of are needed. I just make a other things. I just keep only Danza school. Others make a check box for multi-page and one page, because I don't need when someone click the home showing the drop down menu and other song. There is no need, because customer don't want this. Okay, now I just click here, remove, and then you can see all are finished here. And now I just make that is the home page. Okay. Now you can see the drop down has vanished. So this is our product. This is our others, all of parts. Okay, that's pretty good. Now footer. Go to footer. And here is also we select footer 2. So if you want to change anything, the footer 2, simply go there and change this. For example, click here footer 2, and then you can find here the footer informations like logo, menus and other things. You can change very easily from here. Follow us other things. Here's quick links. This is the menu of quick links. Okay, here is the quick links. You can see menu, the address, all of things you can change from here. So hope so you understand the video, and that is very good theme. So hope so you can do each and everything. If you want to one thing, sorry, about page, contact page and home page, I just want to open and quick and dirty, because that is also very important. Most of the customers don't know how to do this. I just show you for inner page how to change the background banner pictures. For example, this picture how to change. Okay, but customer want every page different pictures. How to do? Normally go to the here. Okay, edit page and contact page also. Click edit page and home page also. This is here fine, and go there. Here is the global. Select the page, and here is the options of pictures. Okay, and also contact page. Go there. If you want to change the contact information, contact page pictures, go there and change the pictures. Okay, now you can visit and check it. For example, here, this is for about page. The picture is changed. Contact page, picture is also changed. So it's a different pictures. Okay, hope so you understand and you can do this. Now here, this is the first section. Explore and banner. You can see here is the banner. If you want to change, this is the picture, this is the shape, this is the title, subtitle, all of things here. So you need to work very carefully. If you face any difficulties, just let me know. But hope so you can understand, you can change this and everything whatever you want. But very careful. Like for example here, This is the class. Go there, and here is the class. So this is the class picture, this is the shape image, there is no need here, the description, this is the class details. So if you want to add here more things, just simply remove and add here the class details. How to add here a class detail, that is also another question I want to show later, just a second. Here is also other part. And class details, if you want to add the class details, just click here the pages and you can see here the class details. One class schedule, maybe these, I don't know really, let me check. Okay, this is the class calendar. Just a second, I just want to see. If you want to create the class details like single class, and then you can see this is the class, very normal way. If you want to single class, okay, the name is single class, so go there, and here is the second page is single class. You just make a duplicate and name, rename the class name, and this link view and copy a link the class single class in the inside of home. Hope so you understand. Yeah, so that's it so far. Thank you so much. Hope so I will release next video as soon as possible. Till then, bye.